Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to connect a HyperX Cloud III Wireless headset to your Xbox. Alright, let's begin. First, it's important to note that not all HyperX headsets are compatible with Xbox. For example, the HyperX Cloud III Wireless only works on PC and PlayStation. You won't be able to use it on an Xbox console as it's not officially licensed. This information is listed in the support specifications of the Quick Start Guide. However, other models, such as the HyperX Cloud III Wired, work perfectly with Xbox. To connect this headset, simply plug it into an available USB port on your console. Modern HyperX headsets typically connect via USB, so you should have no trouble. If needed, you can use an adapter to convert from USB-C to USB-A, depending on the headset model you purchased. Once you connect the headset to the USB port, it should be automatically detected. If it is, you will see a pop-up on your screen confirming the connection. From there, when you join a game or any voice chat, you can choose the headset as your input or output device. If you try connecting a headset like the Cloud III Wireless and it doesn't appear, it's likely because it's not a licensed product and therefore incompatible with Xbox. So that's basically how you can connect a HyperX Cloud III Wireless headset to your Xbox. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.